Hello students, exercise 1.1, question number 4. If A is equal to 5, 6, B is equal to 4, 5, 6 and C is equal to 5, 6, 7. Show that A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. So it is given, we have to show that. So we prove panna. Now let us prove. So first we have to find A cross A. So write A cross A is equal to, first write the elements of A. What are the elements of A? 5, 6. Cross against the same elements 5, 6. Now we can make the Cartesian product. So 5, 5, 5, 6. So first element in the first set with all the elements in the second set. So first 5, 5, then 5, 6, then 6, 5, then 6, 6. That's all. Then it is nothing but LHS, left hand side. Next we have to find the right hand side, that means RHS. So in RHS first we have to find B cross B. So we can take it as equation 1 like. So now it is B cross B, that is B cross B is equal to, so what is B cross B? First we have to write the elements of B. What is B? 4, 5, 6. Then again the same set, that is B. So 4, 5, 6. So we have to make the Cartesian product for the B cross B. So you know already very well how to do the Cartesian product. So first element is 4 with all the elements in the second set. So first 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Then 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Then 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So it is B cross B. Now we have found the B cross B. Next we have to find C cross C. Now let us find. So first C cross C. C cross C is equal to nothing but we have to listing the elements of C first. So what are the elements of C? 5, 6, 7. Cross again the elements of C are 5, 6, 7. So now we have to make the Cartesian product. So now, so 5, 5, then 5, 6, then 5, 7, then 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7. Next 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 7. So it is C cross C. Next finally you have to find B cross B intersection C cross C, that is RHS, right hand side. So first B cross B intersection of C cross C is equal to, you know already about the intersection. Intersection means common order pair or common elements in the both set. What are the set? A cross A, sorry, B cross B and C cross C. So B cross B லையும் C cross C லையும் எந்த order pair எல்லாம் common இருக்கோ அதான் நமக்கு இதல ஆன்சர் வரும், because there is intersection. Now let us write what are the elements are common. See, listen the B cross B. So 4, 4. இதுல இருக்கா பாருங்க 4, 4. No. அப்ப ரைட் பண்ணாதீங்க. Then 4, 5. There is 4, 5. No. 4 comma 6 இருக்கா பாருங்க இதுல 4 comma 6 இல்ல no need to write. Then 5 comma 4, there is no 5 comma 4. Then 5 comma 5, yes, there is 5 comma 5. So we can write the 5 comma 5. Next, so we can write then 5 comma 5 up to finish. Then 5 comma 6 is there, 5 comma 6. So we can write 5 comma 6 comma then 6 comma 4, there is no 6 comma 4. Then 6 comma 5, there is 6 comma 5. So we can write, so 6 comma 5 comma then 6 comma 6, yes, there is 6 comma 6. So these are the order pair are same in the both sets. So B cross B ல இருக்கு, C cross C ல இருக்கு. எந்தெந்த order pairs இருக்கு? இது எல்லாமே இருக்கு. இது 5,5 இது இருக்கு. Then 5,6 ரெண்டு செட்டிலுமே இருக்கு. Then 6,5 B cross B ல இருக்கு, C cross C ல இருக்கு. Then 6,6 அதே போல B cross B ல இருக்கு, C cross C ல இருக்கு. அப்போ B cross B intersection C cross C னா B cross B Cartesian product லயும் C cross C Cartesian product ல இருக்கிற the same order pairs. இப்போ 5,5 5,6 6,5 6,6 இந்த 4 order pairs-உம் நமக்கு B cross B ல இருக்கு, C cross C லயும் இருக்கு. So அப்போ let us take it as equation 2. It's already equation 1. So ரெண்டும் compare பண்ண போறோம். இரண்டு equal இருந்தா it's verified. So let's check. So 1 பாருங்க 5,5 இதுலயும் 5,5 இருக்கு. Then 5,6 இதுலயும் இருக்கு, இதுலயும் இருக்கு. Next 6,5 இதுலயும் இருக்கு, இதுலயும் இருக்கு. Then 6,6 இதுலயும் இருக்கு, அதுலயும் இருக்கு. அப்போ therefore from equation 1 and 2, what is the given? A cross A. So A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. So அப்போ A cross A வந்து எதுக்கு ஈக்குவலா இருக்குன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா B cross B intersection C cross C க்கு ஈக்குவலா இருக்கு. So அப்போ hence verified. Okay, thank you children.